Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna do a full-blown total review of the Corsa long tube headers. Before we do that, if you missed the last video, we installed the Corsa long tube headers, which is we did a really good job. I mean, I'm patting myself on the back, guys. I think we did a really good job. You guys let me know. Well, let me know in that video. If you missed it, go over there and watch that video. The video prior to that, we did the stock OEM exhaust manifold removal video, and I think we did an extremely detailed video because I didn't see much out there on the interwebs and in YouTube. So you guys got to check that out. After we installed the Corsa long tube headers, we actually had to install a tune revision from Hemi Fever Sean over at Hemi Fever Tuning. If you need any information on him, it'll be in the video description. Cheshire County Transmissions will be in the video description, and this full-blown exhaust system will be in the video description. Always important stuff in the video description. You guys got to check it out. And on my website, allbeastprojects.com. But we had to install a tune revision with our Diablo Sport Trinity 2. Now that we have our Corsa headers installed, we're going to tune the vehicle. Sean from Hemi Fever Tuning sent me an updated tune file for the headers. Custom tuning, we're going to go to. We're going to install tune. And right there you see 93 octane Charger header. That's what we're going to install now. Yep. We're going to install the tune as is because Sean already did all the parameters that we needed done. You're just going to follow the directions on your Trinity 2 device. So we're writing a tune, Andy.
Well, how about that?
How about that? Car's been tuned successfully. We are all done. So after we installed our tune revision from Hemi Fever Tuning, we went on to do some road tests. And he gave you the stock, the Corsa Extreme exhaust system, and then the Corsa Extreme exhaust system plus the long tube headers, which is their Extreme Plus. Cold start Corsa exhaust.
I think I did a good job on that one.
Now we got the windows down, we're cruising, and we're in third gear. And as you can hear, if you putz it, it's not bad. We just hit fourth. It's not bad at all. It's not obnoxious. It's when you get on it, like if you that Corsa really wakes up when you hit the accelerator. But when you're driving locally, there's really no need to do that. You're gonna open it up on the highways and what have you, but locally, it's not bad at all. We can control. We've driven the car all over the place, Maryland, We're not getting any like second looks or anything like that because, you know, we're being respectful. We're on the track though. We're gonna open this bad boy up, and it's gonna be loud. As you heard, it's loud when you get on it. But I'm very happy with the Corsa long tube headers and the complete exhaust setup that we have in our Dodge Charger. just getting that much closer. We're excited. The tracks might be opening in about a week or so here in Pennsylvania, so we'll finally get to test this thing out. But we're gonna go out on the road here a little bit. We'll get speeds, we'll get up to about 45, 50, and just demonstrate again to you how it's not obnoxious. We're using our better camera today. It's got a better microphone, so you get more of it's gonna be a little bit more of a reality, even though it's not like, I don't know, it's not perfect. I wish I could upgrade to like wireless microphones and powered microphones. We're just not balling like that. But yeah, here we are. We're 45, 50, cruising, 5th gear. Would you say that's obnoxious, Heather?
No, not at all. The only time that this ever really bothers me is the initial startup.
Cold starts,
Cold start,
yes.
When you're going to work at 5 o'clock in the morning.
I'm not allowed to do that anymore. I have to drive either the truck or the Jeep. I'm not allowed to start the car up at 5:30 in the morning anymore.
Yeah.
Cold starts are very loud. But when you have the windows closed, it's even more quieter, but it's not bad. It's not obnoxious.
No.
And not unless you, the driver, make it obnoxious.
So yesterday we were at the Conowinga Dam and we were eagle watching, and while we were there were some professional photographers there getting pictures of the birds, and even when he started and pulled out, we didn't get any looks. And I know, as a fake photographer, that if I was trying to take a picture of wildlife and somebody came in and was being loud, I'd be a little bit angry and probably give some looks. But I don't think anyone turned their head.
No.
One older gentleman turned his head, but I think he was a gearhead, and I think he was just like,
Yeah, I think he was like, that's awesome.
what's that? But yeah, other than that, it wasn't bad at all. So 2 thumbs up from me.
When we were filming earlier, all that footage with the long tube headers and the Corsa exhaust, that was in track mode. Now I got it in eco mode, and we have the windows closed. It's that much quieter. I mean, you can still hear it, but it's quiet. And it shifts so quick. We're in 6th gear already, and we're doing 40 miles per hour. Now we're in 7th, doing 40. Eco mode, it just shifts. It goes through the gear so much quicker, and it keeps your RPMs down. Now we're in 8th, and we're doing 45. So it's that much quieter when you're in eco mode. I just wanted to throw that out there. If you guys were concerned, you'll be fine. It's not, you're not going to draw major attention to yourself unless you want to. If you want to, you can do it. This is with the windows. I keep rolling the window up and down. There you go. I'm giving it a little bit of gas. Took it up to about 55. We're going to kick it back down to 40, but 45. Still not obnoxious.
No.
The most obnoxious thing is the cold starts. It is that loud on a cold start. The Corsa catless long tube headers are 1.875 inch by 3 inch. The Corsa long tube headers offer a perfect pairing to Corsa's catback exhaust systems to maximize horsepower and torque, delivering up to 30 horsepower and 24 foot-pounds of torque when paired with the catback exhaust systems. You can achieve this with the Corsa collection pipes, as seen and we installed. Corsa dyno tested this, but we're going to be heading back out to Maple Grove Automotive to do more dyno testing, and I got more stuff coming with that. Stay tuned. The Corsa long tube headers are made from premium 304 stainless steel construction. They offer precision engineered primary tubes, 3-inch collectors with scavenging spike. The 3/8 inch flanges are laser cut for a secure fit. Vehicle match port geometry increases flow and eliminates leaks. As with all Corsa products, they are proudly manufactured and designed in the United States of America. America may fit other exhausts that follow stock routing. Make sure you check out Corsa's website for detailed information. You can input your vehicle information and they'll advise you everything that they make for your vehicle. This will require custom tuning. These newer vehicles, like this vehicle, my vehicle, the 2019 Dodge Charger, we had to get an unlock PCM and custom tuning through Diablo Sport and Hemi Fever tuning. Without proper tuning, you will get an engine code. We're gonna do a little highway pull and we're gonna go underneath the underpass. You can hear this Corsa just open up. Here we go. That is ridiculous. Hope you guys found this video informative. It's very bright out here.
Yeah.
If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it across all the social media platforms. That helps us out greatly. If you're stopped by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. We love you guys. We will see you on the next upload. Now we got to go back to the dyno, and I have some other things planned for Maple Grove Automotive LLC with the Charger. We're gonna be tweaking the tuning a little bit. Special thanks to Chester County Transmissions, Pete and Andy, they're great. We'll see you on the next upload. Smash it out. Oh yeah, good. Smash it. No, we don't want to smash it out yet. Don't smash it out, Head. Don't smash it out yet.
We just talked.
But this is what it sounds like on idle, guys. It's not bad. It just sounds so mean. I love it. And then when you open it up, yeah, it's, as Mrs. B's project says, it's good. All right, smash it out, Heddy.